To add, remove or reorder button on the top quick settings on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. When you set panel settings together, swipe down the top of the screen by using two fingers to open up the quick settings panel. Tap pencil icon or edit icon at the top right. Tap panel settings button. Next, tap edit top quick setting. To remove a button from the top quick settings, tap the required button at the top quick settings section. To add a button to the top quick settings, tap the required button on the available button section. And to reorder button on the top quick settings panel, drag and drop the required button. Tap done button. Tap the back key. And then tap done button again to save the change. To see the result, close the quick panel. And then swipe down the top of the screen. As you can see, now buttons on the top quick setting have been customized. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.